functions of an entrepreneur. So entrepreneurial functions are mainly classified into 4 parts. They are entrepreneurial functions, promotional functions, managerial functions and commercial functions. Today we will discuss about promotional functions. Promotional functions of an entrepreneur include all those activities which he performs for converting an idea into reality. It starts with understanding and finding an idea and ends at arranging the finance for conversion of an idea into reality. So the very first promotional function is discovery of an idea. First question comes, how an entrepreneur discovers the idea? First of all, an entrepreneur tries to identify the problem which people are facing. Then he tries to find the solution of that problem, and that creative solution, his creative solution becomes an opportunity for him. So this is how an entrepreneur gets the idea. So first of all, an entrepreneur visualizes the opportunity for a particular type of business. Now what does it mean? Does he start the business now only? No. After visualizing the opportunity, he will take the help of experts to develop that idea. Who are the experts? Experts are the ones who have good amount of experience of working in that particular field. With their help, he will develop the idea. And once he is convinced that this idea seems to be profitable, then he will like to move ahead with that idea. So after that, there will be detailed investigation. Investigation about what? Investigation about the resources. Now he will arrange the resources, but for that he need to see how much resources are needed. So for that, entrepreneur estimate the expected demand, that how much quantity, how much demand can be there in the market. On that basis, he will decide how much resources are needed to fulfill that demand. Let's say if expected demand is to be of 50 goods, it means he needs to arrange resources to produce 50 goods. He needs to arrange resources to produce 50 goods. So this is detailed investigation, which includes estimating the demand and arranging the resources to fulfill that estimated demand. Then assemble the resources. These resources include mainly 3M, that is men, money and material. So first of all, under this, entrepreneur tries to persuade and encourage more and more people to join him in his venture. Why he wants to persuade more people? Because more people will bring more capital and the risk will be shared. Then he gets the patent right of if he has invented something new. Then to keep his monopoly or to create his monopoly, he will like to take the patent right to get the full benefit of his innovation. And then he will assemble the resources by selecting the factory site, deciding about the plant and machinery, and by contacting suppliers for the raw material. After assembling the resources, finally he will finance the proposition. Financing means arrangement of finance. See, before arranging the finance, I should know how much finance is needed. So first of all, under this, an entrepreneur calculates how much funds are needed. How he calculates it? He calculates it on the basis of how much money is needed for investment, how much money will be needed for day-to-day operations, how much money will be needed for management of the business. So this is how he estimates how much funds are needed. Then he decides from where he is going to arrange the funds. Does he have his own money? If he doesn't have this much of the money, then from where he is going to arrange it? Whether he is going to take loan from public or from the bank. Then finally, he will estimate the capital structure. What is the meaning of this capital structure? Capital structure means mix of debt and equity. Debt means how much money he is going to take loan and how much capital will be of his own. So he will decide that what mix of debt and equity he is going to keep. So under financing, he decides how much funds are needed and from where to arrange the funds. So promotional functions there are mainly 4 promotional functions, but keep one thing in your mind: when you will be doing these promotional functions, learn them in the same sequence. First of all, the entrepreneur discovers the idea, then he does the detailed investigation, assemble the resources and finance the proposition. The easy way to learn it is, learn this term DDAF. D for discovery of an idea, detailed investigation, A for assembling the resources and F for financing the proposition. आइडिया लिया, उसके लिए रिसोर्सेज को इन्वेस्टिगेट करा, रिसोर्सेज को अरेंज करा, देन फाइनली वी अरेंज द फंड्स. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग टू दिस लेक्चर. Ensure that you join the quiz for this particular topic to see your understanding.